Number 2, we are doing a Cajun chicken enchilada. A lovely Mexican dish, very simple and easy to do. You can make it spicy or you can make it plain, which is then lovely for the children as well. What ingredients do you need? A chicken breast fillet cut into strips. We're going to marinate this with a little bit of Cajun spice. So this is Parman Cajun spice. Just a little bit of spice with olive oil, chili olive oil. You can use a plain olive oil, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. So the longer you can marinate it, the better the flavor. Again, this recipe you can do exactly the same: chicken, pork or beef. And now with your hands, just marinate it. All that lovely flavors into the meat. So the longer you can marinate, the better, up to 4 hours. Or overnight as well. And then we're going to fry it in the pan. So the rest of the ingredients, some stir-fried vegetables, a lovely selection of colorful vegetables, so peppers, I've got some baby corn, salad onion, mushrooms, and when you do the frying, always do it at a nice high temperature, otherwise your vegetables will start to steam and it will go soggy. You want really crispy, healthy looking vegetables. Then coriander, this is just to finish it off, some mixed cheese, freshly prepared tomato sauce. So for this recipe, have a look on our Facebook page as well. Or you can use a tin of tomato. And then some sliced jalapenos if you like to add some a little bit of chili or spiciness to your dish. And then wraps, tortilla wraps. Now we're going to use the 15 centimeter tortilla wrap. So in a nice warm pan, we're going to stir fry the vegetables. Now we have finished the vegetables, just remove it from the heat. So it's very important to never overcook your veggies. Back onto the heat, a little bit of oil, and now we're going to fry the chicken. So this has now been marinated for 4 hours. Again, olive oil, Cajun spice and fresh lemon juice. So how to make an enchilada? So first up, you're going to take your chicken pieces and put that in the middle of your wraps. And then some vegetables on top. And now for the folding. So just nice and tight. Fold over, keep on rolling. You always stop on the fold, transfer to a sprayed roasting tray. Just a little bit of cook and spray there. Same on this side. Roll, roll, roll. Stop on the fold, transfer to the roasting tray. And now all you do is, you take your tomato sauce, put on top, or tomato salsa. And cheese. For the cheese, just give it a little bit of a squeeze and then just carefully place it on top of your tomato. And then lastly, some sliced jalapenos. Jalapenos you can just carefully then place on top. That's it. Now in the oven, 180 degrees preheated oven for about 10 minutes. Your cheese will melt, the wraps will be nice and crispy, and we serve it with fresh coriander. Cajun chicken enchiladas done. So you can serve this as nice party food, so you can just cut it into smaller wheels. You can serve it with a guacamole, or then just some potato wedges or side salad as a main meal. For the full recipe, go to our Facebook page.